Katie's good at math, she gets a big fat A. And that's tacked up on my family's Frigidaire. And at every music contest, Joe and Myra take the prize. On the freezer there are ribbons everywhere. And I'm proud to be their sister, but it really makes me blue that there isn't any prize for telling people what to do, except an invitation to Kalamazoo. Up on the fridge is where I want to be, just like Katie and Myra and Joe. And there's a white plastic magnet that's just the right size, where my new invitation can go. And then every morning I'll open the door, get some OJ or milk, and I'll see